Ever wondered how a simple Google Docs tool could fill your pockets with an extra $500 every single day? Picture this, a world where your time spent proofreading turns into a daily paycheck, all from the comfort of your own home. Well, we have just the right track for you to set foot. Welcome back to Passive Income, where we turn dreams into streams of income. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and tools to earn $500 daily using Google Docs. We're diving deep into the world of online proofreading, revealing the secrets to financial freedom through flexible and simple gigs. Before we jump into the details, let's set the stage. Imagine a virtual realm where your writing skills are totally valued and your time is rewarded. In this digital landscape, opportunities abound, and we're here to guide you through the lush pathways of online income. So, let's head on this journey into the realm of online proofreading. Our first destination, Proofreading Services. A bustling hub where more than 25,000 clients are eagerly awaiting skilled proofreaders. Imagine being part of a community where your proficiency with Google Docs transforms into a source of income. It's not just about making a few extra bucks. It's about tapping into a lucrative market that values your expertise. You see, starting with Proofreading Services, is like stepping into a vast marketplace of opportunities. They're not just looking for occasional proofreaders. They're in constant need of skilled individuals willing to invest their time. What's exciting is the potential earning range from 19 to 46 per hour. The faster you work, the more you earn, an appealing prospect for anyone seeking flexibility and financial reward. Now, let's delve into the application process, a timed quiz that serves as your gateway to proofreading tasks. The pressure is on, with a clock ticking down from 20 minutes. But fear not, this quiz is your ticket to a world of opportunities. Answering questions about elements on the periodic table and choosing the correct spelling might seem like a breeze, but the timed nature adds an element of excitement. As you navigate the quiz, remember that it's okay if you don't ace it on your first try. It's designed to challenge you, and a retake is always an option. Once you pass, your inbox becomes a portal to proofreading tasks. The beauty of Proofreading Services. Lies not only in its earning potential, but also in the continuous stream of tasks that await you. It's a journey where your Google Docs skills transform into a consistent income stream. Transitioning to this proofreading platform is more than just a gig. It's an opportunity to hone your skills and earn in a flexible environment. The demand for proofreaders on Proofreading Services, is evident in its constant need for individuals who can deliver quality work promptly. Exploring opportunities on Proofreading Services, is like opening a door to a world where your skills are valued and your time translates into tangible earnings. The potential to earn 46 per hour in your spare time is not just a promise. It's a reality waiting to unfold. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on a journey where your proficiency with Google Docs becomes your ticket to financial freedom. Now let's set sail for our second destination in the world of online proofreading. The hidden treasure known as If Proofreading Services. Was the bustling marketplace. Consider as the serene cove with the promise of substantial annual earnings of up to $50,000. You see, stands out not only for its financial allure, but also for its straightforward approach. Earning $50 per page might sound simple, but the implications are profound. It's a platform that values your time and effort, making it an attractive option for those seeking a substantial yearly sum without the constraints of a traditional 9-to-5 job. Navigating through the application process at is a breeze. The Apply Now button is your entry ticket to a world where your proofreading skills are not just appreciated but are the key to unlocking extra income. The simplicity of the process is deliberate, allowing you to focus on what you do best, proofreading. In a world where time is money, ensures that your efforts are rewarded promptly. Enter the world of for flexible proofreading opportunities. Set your own hours, proofread at your pace, and watch your income grow. Enjoy the unique advantage of substantial yearly earnings. For proofreading enthusiasts seeking financial independence, offers part-time flexibility with full-time benefits. Transition from Proofreading Services, to experiencing a shift from a busy marketplace to a tranquil oasis. Align your time, skills, and aspirations seamlessly. Subscribe for more insights and explore Fiverr, a lively neighborhood for proofreading where you set prices and earn over $200 per project. Diversify in online proofreading. Explore academic or technical niches for higher rates. Collaborate on Upwork, offer additional services, and tap into Amazon KDP for steady projects. Create a mosaic of success by treating each income source as a unique act in your proofreading performance. Transitioning to Fiverr adds an entrepreneurial dimension. turning your Google Docs skills into a harmonious and lucrative endeavor. So if you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe for more financial insights, only here on Passive Income, where we turn dreams into streams of income.